Hopefully it won't rain. Alright, that time again, time for another solo overnighter in the woods. And this time I'm thinking part 2, building a poacher's camp in the woods. Let's get to it. Before we get too far down the trail, if you haven't seen this video, which most haven't, it's titled Solo Overnight Building a Poacher's Camp in the Woods. Go back and check that bad boy out. It will show you how we got to this point right here. Now, 2 things real quick going into the new year. This is my holiday video. I put Christmas in the title last year and got throttled, and 99% of the people missed it. So we're not going to make that mistake this year. Also, once again, you will not be notified of videos. So go to my website, corporalaf.com. Once again, corporalaf.com. Sign up for my email list. I want to go ahead and move our bipod pole from the front to the back here, and then raise it up a little bit higher. So to do that, just cut this off, push it forward, and land her right there. And then tie it off with an arbor knot, or the bushcraft zip tie. stocked up on dry wood last time, so move this out of here. Hopefully it won't rain. I'm going to land a horizontal right here and tie it to my verticals. This way it gives me some type of backstop. So when I land my roof system on here, it can rest on this wall, rest on my ridge pole, and set against my backstop. And I give you the mythical raised bed. Third time's a charm, tell you what. So one cool thing we're going to try to do right now is we're going to try and cook our steak and our meat on this rock. Once all that burns down, I can pile it around the outsides of that flat stone, and then put the ribeyes on there, some kielbasas, and that rock should be superheated to like 400 or 500 degrees, and then just sear that steak and that kielbasa. So hopefully it'll all work out. Alright, there's the kielbasa. That boy's hot too. Oh man. That is perfect. Now it's time for the corporal ribeye, caveman style. Hell yeah. Catch you all in a few. That steam. Perfection. Not a lot happening right now. Just trying to get through the new year. We've got some builds coming up. I want to finish that deer tower, but it got throttled. Something like that. No one's done. Not like that, you know, and the plans I have for it, it's not a good draw. No one wants to watch it. Now someone's going to say, well, I do. Well, right, but if, 1,000 people want to watch it and I have 1 million subs, it's kind of a waste. So we'll see where it goes. If not, go back to the drawing board and figure out something else. The one thing I am going to do, I'm putting aside time for it right now, is next year there's going to be an online classroom. Part of that is because YouTube is actually going to promote online classrooms. So I'm actually somewhat want to be excited for that, but once I get the details all ironed out, I'll let you guys know. Other than that, it's supposed to rain tonight, maybe snow a little bit. Smoke's venting out, so that's a good thing. I'm going to collect some more firewood and try and keep that fire nice and small, just enough to get that heat. With that, catch you all in the morning. So this was my night right here, playing with this cold fire. As you can see, there's snow everywhere. Looking at 10 degrees Fahrenheit, and a lot of room for shelter improvements. So right now I'm going to quit screwing around, get some warm chow and some coffee, and we'll go from there. Corporals breakfast burrito. There we go. Catch you all in a few. Got our Juan Valdez coffee. Piping hot. Okay, so let's talk about this shelter. I'm happy with it, but I'm not happy with it. I'm happy with it because of what it's evolved into. I'm not happy with it because there's a lot of room for improvement. The wind chill factor is below zero, and that's about 9 degrees Fahrenheit right now. And the wind is whipping through these cracks in these logs. So the simple fix here would be to add clay. So like I said, there's room for improvement. What I would like to do is remove this corner shelter that we did in our previous videos and actually build some type of more permanent structure and then seal it up with clay. But is the heat surrounding my body? Yes. It's probably about 40 degrees in here. That's better than 9 degrees outside. So I'll take it as a win. Well, you guys wanted a snow video, and you got one. Right in time for Christmas. With that, all the gear my videos can be found at 3 places. 1 on my Amazon influencer page, and 2 my Self-Reliance Outfitters influencer page. If you're interested in Corporals Corner merchandise, that can be found on Teespring. All 3 links are found inside my description box. Now please do me a favor, hit that like and subscribe button, then ring that notification bell. Once you ring that bell, please select all notifications. And as always, thank you for your comments, views, and support. Thanks for watching. Get out in the field, have some fun. I'm going to catch you next time. Now it's time for Corporals' final thoughts. Okay, so this final thought is more of a word of advice for 2023. Your personal life, your social media accounts, the world, politics, etc. Nothing in there is worth getting so riled up over that you're just physically, emotionally, and mentally drained and frustrated to the point where you want to harm yourself or somebody else. All I can say going forward is something that was passed on to me long ago, and that is be excellent to each other. And party on, dudes. On that note, until next time, take care of yourself and each other.